second segment of the first episode on Ketungu Chamorro. Let's learn Chamorro. And I have here the beautiful Miss Hilary Agulto. And she and I will be working together to make the two traditional dishes, the chicken Kelaguen and red rice. So let's start. The ingredients you will need for chicken Kelaguen is the chicken, of course. Without the chicken, you will only just be Kelaguen. And onions, right?
Yeah.
Onions.
Gotta have onions.
No garlic though.
Why no garlic?
Because it's going to give that taste, that garlicky taste that you would want together with lemon.
Oh, I see. Yeah, they don't match.
They don't match. Chopped green onions, red ginger.
Ooh.
Yep. And a whole lot of lemon. And of course, the basic salt, black pepper. And for those who use this, of course, this is the famous Agulto. Do you cook with Agulto?
Don't all Chamorros cook with the
I think so, but some nowadays they
right.
don't cook with this anymore.
No
Because
way.
they say it's no good for you. It's not good for you.
That's true, but I always see it around Chamorro kitchens, right?
That's true.
I agree.
They say, oh, I don't put it in your motor, but then next thing you know, they just put it. It's only two pinches.
It's in everything.
Yep.
I bet even dessert. They just won't say.
Probably, right? Ingredients for the red rice. You want to show them what ingredients they need?
Sure. Alright, everybody. So to make red rice, you'll be needing G.T.C, rice,
Of course, right?
of course, and also it's optional if you want to be putting bacon in the red rice. Some Chamorros they prefer to have bacon in it, but some they prefer to leave it without. Probably those are health conscious. And anything else?
I think the onions, because the onions just gives that
That really
aroma.
pop out,
Yes.
which means like it smells just
good. Yes.
Yeah.
It gives that good aroma. Yep. So, very important. Before you start cooking red rice, you need to soak the atoti, as Hilary said, in water and salad oil. That brings out the color of the seeds. So that's very important if you're going to use the seeds. If not, then you're good to go. But first, should we show them how to make chicken Kelaguen?
Yes, we should start off that.
Right? Okay.